Hello, Kelly. It's Angelica Flores with Fiesta Motors here. I am the Internet Marketing Sales Director here at Fiesta Motors. I just wanted to give you just reach out to you and let you know that I did receive your inquiry, and I saw that you were interested in purchasing a vehicle with us. I just want to touch base with you, see if there's any questions that I can answer for you, and hopefully get you into a vehicle. Again, I am not part of the sales team. I am the Internet Marketing Director here, so just wanted to touch base with you and see if there's any questions that you might have, answer any questions that you may have, and hopefully get you into a new car, okay? Give me a call back. I am at 788-3620. I would love to answer any questions that you might have on down payment, payments per month, anything. Just mileage on a car, whatever the case may be. Just give me a call back, 788-3620. Thank you very much.